Direct replacement. This axle vent is designed to match the fit and function of the original vent on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original vent that has failed due to blockage or fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Axle vents allow pressure inside the differential to equalize with the atmospheric pressure. All our axle vents are constructed of high-quality materials for durability. Top reviews from the United States. Fit my 1978 Bronco 9-inch rear diff. Found my original vent fitting to have been snapped flush on the diff housing. After getting it out, this fitting screwed right in by hand and snugged up perfectly with a wrench. Would recommend for anyone with the Ford 9-inch rear diff.